Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word example here, and I'm just going to change the font as well. Go to animation and go to loop and select the wave one, which is not this one. There's another wave. I think it's wave 2 or wave 3. Okay, it's wave 3. Just going to adjust the duration a little bit, like the speed, I guess. And I'm just going to place it on top of a black background. Select both, right click, create compound clip. And place it on top of an animated background of your choice. For instance, like this one, you can choose anything. Select your text, go to video, go to the blend mode and select the darken one. Then I'm just going to go to effects and I'm going to add on the edge glow. Like so. You can adjust the glow too, but I prefer adding it later. But it's totally up to you, really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!